All right, y'all. Welcome back to Homestead Heart. Mrs. H, Mrs. H isn't feeling that well, so I'm doing the narrating on this video today. What we're doing today, we are sifting peat moss and perlite. We're getting our seed starting mix together for the spring garden of 2026. Look at that. So y'all come join us from the beginning to the end of the seed starting mix that we use here at Homestead Heart. So this is more like a walkthrough of what we do every year. So look how fine this look. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up look. It's so fluffy when we sift it. Look at that. That's what you want. That's what the seeds need when they first start growing in containers.
And this is our sifter right here.
Yes.
This is a homemade sifter. But they do make sifters for you to purchase. But this one is homemade, and this is the one we've been using 7 years.
Yes.
And it's been holding up. So we're going to keep going with it.
Yes, we're going to keep going with it. And so here we go. We're going to put the peat moss in.
And the peat moss has a lot of sticks in it.
Yes, it does.
So that's why we sift it.
To get that pure, fine
peat moss. See these sticks? Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
And if you have sticks in the peat, in your seed starting mix, if you're using peat moss, all of these things can prevent your seedlings from coming up. So you don't want that. If you're buying peat moss out of the store, you want to make sure you sift it. Now, if you were buying like Jiffy seed starting mix, well, that's different because it's already, I think it's coming out over here. It's already sifted and it's already been sterilized.
Yeah.
Turn it this way.
Okay. So we don't want to lose. Yeah, we don't want to lose too much of it. So we just mixing it up, like how y'all used to do when y'all was children playing in the dirt.
Mm-hmm.
This is a lot more different type of substance, but we're just pushing it on through the screen.
Yeah.
Make sure we get that good fine grade.
It doesn't take long.
No, it doesn't.
If you don't have a lot of seeds to start, you don't need to buy a big old bale of peat moss. But we start several hundred seeds here on the homestead, so we just buy the bale of peat and the perlite.
But it's also good to have a big bale of peat moss on deck, just for years to come,
Yeah.
So
it's not like it goes bad.
Yeah, if you plan on gardening for years, you have a small garden, it's good to go ahead and get your supplies bulked up, in bulk. It come in handy because you know how prices jump.
That's true.
So you got your seed starting mix already on deck.
And it's equal parts. So
yeah,
we're putting in 10 gallons of peat. So we're going to put in 10 gallons of perlite.
Yes. Now with the perlite, I like to have my mask on because of the dust. So I'm gonna have to go get my mask because you don't want to breathe in that dust from perlite. Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay, so I'm gonna dump these sticks and stuff in this flower pot that I have.
So this is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Look at how fine that is.
That's a big difference.
Yeah, look at how fine that is.
That's a big
bring
difference.
It even closer.
Look at that. That's a big difference. Look at.
No sticks and.
No sticks.
It's very, very. Oh, look, one got through. Yep, one of those sticks got through.
So that's a bad mix right there with the sticks in that pot.
We'll just take that other debris and just put it around one of our trees or something, or put it in the raised bed.
Yeah, look at that. That's what you want. Seed starting with fine peat moss. It's gonna get those seeds started up, y'all, in a good manner.
We use these buckets to measure.
Yeah.
Look at all of these sticks and stuff in here. See, stuff like this, you don't want this in your seed starting mix. You got to sift all of that out. You got to sift all of that out.
Yeah. The wind is blowing, y'all, so I got to be careful. I don't want to lose too much peat moss.
So it's a fairly simple process.
Yeah. Just rubbing it on through the sifter.
I have a terrible toothache. I bit down on something that was really hard. In some food I was eating.
Yeah.
Mr. H picked us up some Jim and Nick's barbecue.
Yeah.
And we love Jim and Nick's. That's one of our favorite places.
Yeah.
And I bit down on something, and I don't know what it was, but I immediately it sent shockwaves.
Yeah.
Through my mouth, all up to my eye, and all up to my head. It hurt so bad. I don't even know what it was. I put the plate down. Mr. H put it down, and I'm gonna go back in there and see if I can figure out what it was that I bit down on, because it was really hard, very painful.
Yeah. She was in a lot of pain.
I was in a lot of pain all night.
Yeah, so it was very rough for her last night.
It really was. So
she's been very good on coming out here while she still really probably is in pain.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in the stick bin, I'm gonna call it.
Oh, that looks really good.
Oh, it does. Look at that.
Got one little stick got through there.
So this is the beginning, y'all. And this is how we save money instead of buying starts at the store.
Yeah, or that seed starting mix.
Yeah.
That little seed starting mix, that little jiffy is so expensive.
It is. Wow, you can just do this yourself.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things we got to do for ourselves so we can save money.
That's true.
This is the beginning of it right here.
Yeah.
You know, y'all follow along and go get y'all some peat moss, perlite, and get to having your own seed starting mix.
It's windy.
Yeah.
It's about to storm outside.
Yeah, we got a serious storm coming our way
in the next couple of hours.
Yeah. And the cold weather's gonna come in. It's gonna be down below freezing. I'm pretty sure most of the nation gonna have that cold weather.
Yeah.
If you get it down south, you know it's gonna be everywhere else. So we trying to get this done while the weather is good.
Yeah. Now this is not sterilized peat moss. If you wanted to sterilize it, you could pour over boiling water over your peat moss, or you can put it in maybe a disposable pan and cover it and bake it in the oven 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, and you can bake it, and that would sterilize it, because sometimes they have those little fungus gnats inside of your peat moss or your seed starting mix, or even indoor potting mix.
Yeah.
And so the way you can sterilize it is to do it that way.
Yeah. So now since we finished doing the peat moss, we're gonna get to the perlite.
Gotta get the perlite in.
Now we back in a better location because the wind was blowing so much, until where we had to get away from it, because perlite is very light, and so we had to make sure it don't blow away. And also I had to make sure I get my mask. So Mrs. H already has a little small cough because of the perlite. It will make you cough, but this is the perlite right here. For beginners, this is what we use to mix with the peat moss, so we can get a good seed starting mix.
Yeah.
So we're
gonna do one bucket at a time.
One bucket at a time. You see that dust? You don't want to breathe in that dust.
No.
Got to be easy with it. Okay. Okay, Mrs. H, this is our
Okay, we
chance.
ready.
The wind is starting to pick up.
It's starting to,
Ooh.
it is. You rescued it.
Yeah. The wind is
Oh,
starting to pick
man.
up. We got to get it in here.
Mm-hmm.
Because that wind is ferocious.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it gave us a little room.
See, y'all can see. There we go.
Yeah, y'all see that good mix there.
It's a beautiful seed starting mix.
And I'm going to get some of that peat moss from the bottom
Mm-hmm.
so it can kind of hold down this fluffy white perlite.
And I know that probably look like that's enough, but it's not.
No, it's not.
We need more perlite in here.
Yes, we do.
You want the shovel or are you good?
I'm good. I'm just trying to get the...
Yeah, you can feel it this way when you...
Yeah. I want to get my hands up in here so I can feel it. The shovel, it ain't going to do me no justice.
Yeah.
Because I really want to mix it all the way up. Because we got another bucket to put in here.
We do. Remember, it's equal parts.
Equal parts.
Yeah.
Okay.
That looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah. So you ready to part the
Oh,
red?
wait. There's some down here that didn't get mixed in.
Okay.
You want to mix it well, too, y'all.
Yeah.
Make sure you mix it good.
Yeah, most of the peat moss is heavier than the perlite, so it's going to be on the bottom. Make sure we get everything on the bottom.
Oops. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for
Let me make another well in the middle.
Okay, part the Red Sea.
So we can bury it.
Yeah.
Quickly, but hold on. I hear some wind coming. You might want to wait.
Yeah, the wind is coming now. Okay, now.
Woo! Go.
Make sure I don't go around the edges.
That looks real good.
Yeah, this is the beginning part of growing your own groceries. It's really not that hard. Because we don't want to spend no money on those starts.
Or mix.
Or mix or anything. So if y'all buying seeds from the seed store, this is what y'all should be doing right now.
Yep, getting your seed start mix ready. That looks so good.
Yes, it does.
This is the start of a very nice dinner plate with seeds.
Oh, that's a good. Yeah, you're right. This is the start of a very nice dinner plate. Even though it's not like physically food that you have on a dinner plate, but this is where it comes from.
Yep.
This is where it comes from, y'all.
Beginning of dinner.
Now, I think that I'm gonna have to go get a big piece of cardboard so the wind won't. Yeah, so the wind won't take all this away. But look how nice that looks. Yeah. This is what we're looking for, y'all.
That is. That's beautiful.
This is what we are looking for when we start seeds. We want to make sure that we have a good mix of each of the same thing. Peat moss, perlite, equal.
Yes, but we have another special ingredient that we're about to add to this. So y'all stay tuned for that because we're about to add that too. It's starting to rain. The storm is moving in and the wind is going like crazy. So we're going to show you the last component and then I'm going to get this out of the rain. Or I might leave it in the rain for a little while. So the last component that we're adding to this is
our worm
castings.
Look how dark and rich that is.
Let me show y'all.
And it still has worms in it too.
Look at that. Black gold. Homestead Heart Seed.
Yes.
So we're going to mix this first bucket in. We still got worms in here. Oh man, we probably do.
Yeah.
Mix all of this in. So we're gonna mix that up.
Microbial life is in here.
This is so good for the soil. You may as well put that other bucket in, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So we putting in equal parts of that too. So we did 2, 2, and 2. We're gonna mix all of this in. Now this is not necessary for you get some wormies.
Yeah, the worms are still in my casting.
Oh no, we don't want y'all in here, not for the seed starting mix.
We gotta put y'all in the other bucket where the other worms at.
Yeah.
Here's another
There go
one.
another one. Y'all, let me show y'all these worms. We still got oops, sorry. We still got worms in the castings. So we're gonna mix this all up.
Yeah, try not to hurt the worms. Hopefully y'all can survive this.
No, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just mixing this in, Mr. H and I. And it's not a requirement that you do this, but we are just enriching our seed starting mix with a little bit of castings. You think we need to shovel?
Yeah, let me
Just
get
a
the
little
shovel.
bit of castings to
The rain is coming.
help enrich our mix. That's all. Sometimes you can buy seed starting mixes and they'll come with different fertilizers in them. So
Here
we're
you go.
just adding our own to it as well. But again, it's not necessary for you to do this, okay? But we're just enriching ours.
Yeah.
And if you do decide to add some worm castings, you can just add whatever you want to add. You don't have to do it like we did, okay? But I feel like this is what's best for us, because when we add worm castings to our soil, our seed starting mix, our starts look so beautiful, so healthy,
Yes, they do.
so alive. So yeah, this is a must do for
Yeah.
us.
Yes, it
So
is.
it's starting to rain, you all. We got
Yes.
some storms coming in, some severe weather.
So we're gonna have to take it in.
So we're gonna have to call it hits.
Ooh.
It's coming now.
Yeah.
So thank y'all for watching Homestead Heart. We'll be starting some seeds, y'all.
Yeah.
Peace and blessings, and we'll
Peace.
see y'all in the next one.
Peace. Oh
We gotta
man.
go.